How did Node.js become foundational for serverless platforms? Imagine a world where your code runs instantly whenever needed, without you worrying about servers or infrastructure. That's the magic of serverless computing. Now, think about what makes this possible behind the scenes. One key player is a technology called Node.js. Let's explore how it became so important in this space. Node.js was created to bring JavaScript, a language most people associate with web browsers, to the server side. Before Node.js, JavaScript was mainly used to make websites interactive. But with Node.js, developers could write server code in JavaScript. This meant front-end and back-end development could be done with the same language, making life easier for web developers. Node.js uses an event-driven, non-blocking input and output model. This means it can handle many tasks at once without waiting for each one to finish. For web applications that need to manage lots of connections, this is a huge advantage. It makes applications faster and more efficient. Serverless computing is a way to run code in response to events without managing servers. Cloud providers handle all the scaling and maintenance. Developers just focus on writing code. This approach is perfect for web apps with fluctuating traffic because it can automatically grow or shrink based on demand. It also costs less because you only pay for the time your code runs. Node.js fits naturally into serverless platforms for a few reasons. Its lightweight and quick startup time mean functions can be spun up and shut down fast. When a request comes in, the platform can quickly start a Node.js environment, run the code, and then turn it off. This keeps costs low and performance high. Another reason is the vast JavaScript ecosystem. Developers can reuse the same libraries, tools, and frameworks they use for front-end work. This reduces learning time and speeds up building serverless functions. It also helps teams stay consistent across projects. Major cloud providers like Amazon Web Services support Node.js early on. They included it as a runtime option for their serverless platform called Amazon Web Services Lambda. This early support encouraged many developers to adopt Node.js for serverless projects. Popular frameworks for serverless applications, like the Serverless framework, were built with Node.js. This created a cycle where more developers used Node.js, which led to more tools and best practices. For someone learning JavaScript, understanding Node.js opens the door to serverless development. You can create APIs, process data, or handle user authentication with JavaScript and deploy it as serverless functions. This approach is now common for building scalable backends, microservices, and even full-stack apps. In short, Node.js became a foundation for serverless platforms because of its fast, event-driven architecture, its compatibility with the JavaScript ecosystem, and its early support by cloud services. If you want to master modern web development, knowing Node.js is a smart move that connects you to the future of scalable, cost-effective computing.